Hey everyone, today we're going to be making something special for Easter. What is that, you may ask? Easter egg baskets. Now growing up, I loved Easter, but I never made an Easter egg basket. I'm not sure why. But today I'm going to show you how to make a budget-friendly Easter egg basket that's going to look amazing outside and inside. So join me for the ride. So to get started, we're going to need 2 jumbo bamboo baskets. They're $8 at Big Lots. We'll also need Easter grass, $1.50 also from Big Lots, and a bag of plastic Easter eggs from Amazon. We'll need 2 of them. You'll also need 2 bottles of expanding foam found at any hardware store. So let's start foaming in a circular pattern just like this. Make sure you do it evenly so it rises nicely. Let the foam rise for about an hour until it has this consistency right here. Then you can begin putting the eggs on top. I'm using a hot glue gun to place dabs of glue at the bottom of the eggs so that everything sticks together very nicely. Each basket requires about 30 to 35 eggs. Notice that I didn't put the Easter grass in the previous basket, but I will put it in this basket because there's 2 ways you can do it: after you finish foaming or after you finish putting the eggs on top. Notice how we go in a circular pattern as well to make sure that everything is even. Use an entire 16-ounce can of expanding foam per basket. In this basket, I'm applying the Easter grass before the foam expands and before it has a chance to dry. Put as much as you want on top, and this is where the Easter eggs will rest. We're going to let our basket rest for about an hour. Then we can begin hot gluing our eggs to the Easter grass. Go as high as you want to go. Just make sure you put enough glue on the bottom of each egg so that it's sturdy. And here we have it, folks, the finished product. Look how beautiful these Easter egg baskets came out. They're quite sturdy and they're weatherproof, so they'll look amazing outside. I've linked everything I used in the bio below, so hopefully if you want to make your own basket, it'll be easier for you to find the items. Have a great day, everyone.